Hey guys, so Joe Conga here, and the reason I haven't been vlogging that much, sorry for the hair, is because of, well, this happened in the last vlog with Gabe. This is broken now, but luckily, I have this one. Found it back here, so we're gonna go, let's put this on, and we'll be right back. So what are we doing today? We are cleaning this thing out a little bit. I'm not going to show you guys inside because full of trash. Full of trash there as well. I'm just going to clean that out. And then let me take you guys onto the other side because there's something, I think it's Monster, that's dripped, that got splashed up on the side of my car of Tahoe. Yeah. Don't just ignore. Yeah. Yeah, there's something splashed on it. It just needs to be detailed, so I'm gonna do that. And then we're gonna go to the storage unit because I gotta take some stuff over there that's in the way back, and also I gotta grab something to sell. Alright guys, so we're heading off to the storage unit. Gotta get rid of some stuff in the back of the car and go get the bike so that I can sell it. Bring it back here, get photos of it, and sell it. And I still gotta clean out the rest of this car. It's a mess. It's better now, but I still gotta get like under the seats and shit. And I gotta even when I get under the seats, I still gotta put them back down because I gotta keep my bike in the back of my car because you know, the garage is full with an SUV, and my mom also drives a big white SUV. And that's where it parks, so I gotta keep the bike in the back of the Tahoe for however long it takes to sell the bike. Hopefully somebody wants it, gets me some money from it, I don't know. And then we can go start doing dumb shit with Gabe again. Yay! So there is something I want to talk to you guys about. I am looking at another car. I'm not selling this. This is not going anywhere. I'm just looking at a car I can drive around during the summer and have AC and shit. Because this car doesn't have AC. Like, I'm sweating in here. It has AC, but in the back. It doesn't really work. So I'm looking at a 5th gen SS, 2SS. I found some for pretty good prices, but they're not in Colorado. They are in the one I'm looking at is it's either in California or it's in Georgia. So you gotta add that onto the price, right? So I'm just wondering, like, I know Gabe's down to go. I wonder if you guys want to see like Elijah or Nick go with us as well and fucking do some crazy road trip back home, or even Michael. Maybe all 5, you know, because it's a 5-seater. You can fit 5 people. I don't know how that would be for like a 20-hour trip, at least if I buy the orange one. Black one probably won't be as bad. C6 base model, which means it's an LS2, but still, it's a C6, come on. So yeah, what would you guys think of that? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys when I get to the storage unit. Alright guys, so I'm back, but it's really hot out. As you can tell, we got the bike in the back. We're gonna sell that thing. I don't use it anymore because wherever I go, I walk or I drive. You know, so that thing's not useful. anymore. It's hot out. I might be going through McDonald's and getting something to drink. I'll let you guys know. Alright, so I ended up getting something. It just wasn't from McDonald's. It was from Circle K, because why not? I'm gonna unload this bike and finish cleaning my car out, and then I don't know what else today. It's only like not even 1 o'clock yet. So yeah. Alright guys, so I said I'd catch up with you guys soon, and then I ended up basically cleaning that thing out, but it's cleaned out basically now. Not perfect, but it's a daily driver. I mean, seat's already back down because I gotta still tow the bike around, but it smells really good. It's one of those little trees. It's pure steel. This thing's about to go up on Craigslist, get sold, just so I can use some of the money for gas and stuff, and some of the money for what I said I was going to be buying soon. Well, not soon, but sometime. Alright guys, so we're in the garage. We got the Tahoe because we had a weather alert saying there was going to be hail. I don't really want this thing getting all dinged up and shit. Demonetized! But we're also having there's a problem which explains why the hood's up. Let me show you. I'm not going to turn the car on all the way just because I don't want to kill myself. I think some people would like me to, but, you know. There's a problem. It lights up, but it won't work. And so it's on, but it's not blowing in the air. Also, I can't see the frickin' I'm just getting bored now. So that's, don't want to wear down my battery. So that's what leads me to believe there's something up with a fuse, and this one's not properly all the way in. So it leads me to believe it's this one. There's another fuse somewhere in here. I don't know where. But yeah, that's what leads me to believe the fuse is screwed up. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. First time watching, please subscribe. Have a good day.